Hello everyone, Alexander, I'm back. Now I will be showing you Notepad++. I was going to do an actual program tutorial, but as I was running the program, my video capturing software went unresponsive and was not able to let me completely record. So I ran into some issues with that. So I'll have to show you a search on the program. This is where you can go to download it essentially, especially the latest version. So what this program is going to do, it's a pretty nice text editor compared to Notepad, which runs basically already on Windows. This one's just more advanced, lets you do more features, and is a little bit more tailored towards coding. Um, so uh, this is primarily what I like to use when I'm working on uh, uh, writing code for websites and things like that. But generally, if I want to code a more professional website and get it done in basically more than half the time, what I'm going to do is use Wix. I rely on them. Um, I'll showcase a little bit more of what that entails in another video. So basically, it will go more in depth with how I get the websites up and running through that. Generally, if you're, from what I remember learning about, a website will typically take a long time to code, at least a month, just from raw code or from scratch. That's another way I like to word it. But generally, yeah, uh, Notepad++ is definitely the way I would go for a text editor. So, and then it lets you choose the language or code of the code you want to use. So you can choose HTML, CSS, PHP, and so on. You can also code in Python if you know that, JavaScript. So there's lots of different text uh, editing you can do. You can, like I said, choose the language, which will adjust it for the code. So it will automatically know what code you're looking to use, and it will kind of give suggestions a little bit. I've had one version of it where it did give suggestions on what code to enter, but generally, if you know what you're doing with coding, it's fairly easy to use. Um, so with that said, I think I will move on to my next showcase here, and then we'll get more in depth with my projects and things like that I'm currently working on in future videos. I'm just going through everything, helping you get started or uh, learning about this type of work that I'm doing. It's all a hobby at this point, so if it seems like I'm trying to go more professional than that, I'm actually just trying to um, showcase what I'm already doing. So I'm just getting started. So just bear with me. All right. With all that said, I'm Alexander. Thanks for joining me on YouTube. I have other social links I can post in the comments. I'll have all that ready to go in a future video.